Get rid of pimples and acne. Question: I'm troubled with pimples. Can I get rid of them? Please suggest an excellent herbal remedy to get rid of pimples. In this video, you will know the best herbal product to get rid of pimples fast. Natural solution. If you are looking for a good herbal product to get rid of pimples, an Ayurvedic expert suggests the very effective herbal remedy, Golden Glow Capsule. It's a unique herbal remedy to get rid of pimples or acne. Time-tested and potent herbal ingredients are the reason behind the effectiveness of this capsule. This capsule is perfect for a couple of things like acne, pimples, dark circles, boils, black patches, skin rashes, etc. Regular consumption of this capsule will also result in increased fairness and complexion. In short, consuming this capsule will increase your overall beauty. Enhance confidence. As we all know, every woman wants to look pretty. Being beautiful or pretty can add to your overall self-confidence. When we talk about beauty, we will have to talk about the skin as well. Radiant skin is also about being beautiful. We all want radiant skin, but does that come quickly? Well, it doesn't come easily unless you work towards it. You also need to take care of your skin daily if you want to retain your beauty. In that case, the Golden Glow Capsule can be a massive help in achieving that. The potent herbal ingredients of this capsule will allow you to achieve that. It is one of the best herbal remedies to get rid of pimples. Only natural products give complete protection to your skin without causing any damage. 100% natural herbs. We have been using herbal ingredients for centuries to increase and maintain our beauty. Natural ingredients can bring the glow back on your face. They can do it without causing any side effects. That's precisely why you should start consuming the Golden Glow Capsule starting today itself. Natural ingredients such as neem, haldi, haritaki, tulsi, etc. make this capsule very effective for getting rid of pimples. For centuries, we have been taking benefits of these fantastic herbal ingredients. A perfect blend of these herbal ingredients. That's what the Golden Glow Capsule is all about. These ingredients also can calm your mind. A calm and happy mind can lead to a beautiful face and skin. Being happy is very important when it comes to being beautiful. Enhance face glow. This capsule can make you more beautiful, all thanks to the herbal ingredients. Undoubtedly, this is the best herbal product to get rid of pimples. Complexion and strength will be improved tremendously when you consume this capsule regularly. Since it's an herbal remedy, you will be required to consume this capsule for a couple of weeks to see the positive results. Herbal remedies are not supposed to give positive results quickly. They go to the root of the problem and provide a long-lasting solution to the problem at hand. Purify blood. Also, this capsule will get rid of the impurities in the blood. Internal cleansing is essential for outer beauty. This capsule does that. As for direction, you are advised to consume one capsule at a time thrice a day. Consume it with plain water. And consume it regularly for 3 to 4 months, and you will see excellent results at the end of it. World's finest acne cure pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. 80 plus countries presence.
Buy Golden Glow capsules from ayushremedies.in.
The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.